guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a simple hat for our fur baby. The yarn that I'm going to use is from Loops and Threads. This is 100% acrylic. This is the color. If you want to buy the same color, I bought it from Michael's. And we have here our 4.5mm crochet hook. So let's get started. So make your magic circle and make 8 single crochets on your magic circle. Slip stitch to join, and we're going to move up for our So for the next round, chain 2. Our chain 2 will not count as a stitch, and this is an increased round, so we're going to make 2 double crochets in every chain. For our third round, we're going to make our chain 2. Again, our chain 2 will not count as a stitch, and this will be an alternate increase. So 1 double crochet on the first chain and increase on the next, making 2 double crochets on the next chain. So repeat around, 1 double crochet on the next chain and an increase on the next, so repeat around and slip stitch on the first double crochet. For our next round, chain 2 to move up, 1 double crochet on the first chain, 1 double crochet again on the next, and do your increase on the third chain. So that will be our repeat for this round. 1 double on the next 2 chains and your increase. So repeat around until you reach your end, and we're going to make our slip stitch on the first double crochet. For our next round, chain 3. Our chain 3 will count as our first double, and we're going to make 1 double crochet on the next 4 chains for a total of 5, including our chain 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chain 11. And we're going to skip 6. So this is our last double. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And on the next one, we're going to start our double crochet. We're going to make 10 double crochets. So once you're done with your 10 double crochets, we're going to make 11 chains again. And we're going to skip 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And on the next one, we're going to start again our double crochet. This will connect our first 5 double crochets for a total of 10. So find your third stitch on the first 3 chains that we made and make your slip knot. Moving up for our next round, chain 1. Our chain 1 will not count as a stitch, so go back and make your first single crochet. And this time we're going to make 1 single crochet in every chain. So this is a total of 5. For the 11 chains that we made, we're going to make 5 single crochets on the first 5. And now we're going to make 45 chains. Once you've done your 45 chains, we're going to go back and slip stitch in each chain. So I finished slip stitching all the way back. And now we're going to make our single crochet again. Make your single crochet until the half of the 11 chains that we made. Two, 3, 4, and 5. And we're going to make a chain of 45 again and slip stitch coming back, and then we're going to continue our single crochet. So I have done my second 45 chains and slip stitch, and coming back we're going to make our single crochet again until we reach our last chain. Chain 2. Our chain 2 for this round will not count as a stitch, and we're going to make 2 double crochets in every chain. So repeat around, making 2 double crochets in every chain. When you reach the part where we made a string, just bend it over, because we're going to skip that one, and we're going to make our 2 double crochets on the next chain, just right beside our string. You won't even notice that we have the string underneath. Same thing on the other side. So for our next round, it will be just a simple double crochet in every chain. Our chain 2 will not count as a stitch. So go back and make your 1 double crochet. So now I'm going to cut my yarn. For the last round, I'm going to use my 4mm crochet hook, a smaller one, and I'm going to change my color. You can attach your yarn whichever way you prefer. I prefer the simple knot method. And chain 1, make your 1 single crochet, chain 2, and single crochet on the next chain. So that will be our repeat for the entire round. Chain 2, single crochet on the next single crochet on the next chain, chain 2 again, single crochet on the next chain. Going to slip stitch. And now we are done with our hat for our fur baby. This will serve as the string. So it will not get loose. So we just have to weave our ends and we are done. So thank you for joining me today. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And hope to see you on our next video. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crocheting, everyone, and God bless.